packing list is one of the most important documents you need to create for your export shipments. In this video, I'm going to explain why it's so important and tell you what information you need to include. Before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos showing practical advice for exporters and importers. And if you find it helpful, please do me a favor and click on the like button. If completed correctly, a packing list provides the exporter, freight forwarder, and ultimate consignee with important information about the shipment that will help ensure the goods are moved as efficiently as possible. Your freight forwarder will use the packing list in conjunction with your commercial invoice and shipper's letter of instruction to prepare the necessary bills of lading and to submit the electronic export information to the automated export system if required. The ultimate consignee and their agent will use the packing list to help clear the goods of customs in the country of import, including any security and compliance screenings they need to comply with. As the exporter, you'll need a well-prepared packing list in case you have any disputes with the carrier over the weight and measurements of the cargo. If your goods are damaged during transit, you'll need a copy of the packing list in order to file a claim with the carrier or insurance company. If you've used a letter of credit to get paid for your export, you'll most likely need to submit the packing list and other documents to the bank before you can receive your payment. If we look at the packing list I created in the Shipping Solutions export documentation software, you'll see it includes fairly detailed information about the items being shipped, including the exporter and ultimate consignee information, the commercial invoice number, a description of the goods, the types of packages they've been packed in, the net and gross weight of the packages, as well as the dimensions of the packages in English, imperial, and metric measurements, any markings that appear on the packages. The beauty of using software like Shipping Solutions to create a packing list and all your other standard export documents is that you don't have to keep re-entering all this information over and over again. Once you've entered or imported all the information into the software, you can print or email your packing list and any other forms you need right from the software. The less you have to type, the quicker you can get them done, and the fewer mistakes you're likely to make. Let us show you how you can create your packing list and other export documents up to 5 times faster than you're creating them now. Click here to watch a video demo of the software, or click the link below to schedule a free live demo. There's no obligation. And to learn more about exporting, subscribe to this channel and to our free international trade blog linked below.